Come with us to the Hilo site for more adventures. Alright, we have arrived at the bakery. We always come here before the black sand beach. This place is absolutely beautiful. We love to stop here for treats as well as lunch. They have such cute souvenirs and it's just a fun atmosphere and a must-do for stopping on the way on the Hilo side. Is that better? We see the inside. And what is this?
A vanilla fruit loaf.
No, it isn't the same bread. I bet
Oh, brother.
because
All right, we have arrived to Black Sand Beach.
Aloha!
We got to get a picture too in front of that Aloha sign like last time.
Oh yeah, I remember walking out there.
Yeah.
Oh, we can park up here.
So pretty here. So we had lunch at Rainbow Falls and it is so beautiful. You guys, we love seeing all the beautiful waterfalls of Kona, Hawaii. You want to come up here?
Okay, here. Okay, we're gonna get a photo.
So while everyone was up above the waterfall exploring, I just stayed down below. There was just no way of me walking up all those stairs. But they do have a beautiful scenery for those that are not able to, just on the main area. So it's just such a beautiful place to explore. It's so peaceful and just gorgeous. I loved exploring. It was fun exploring the top of Rainbow Falls. Time to head back. Okay, so this car up here thinks that they're in a lane, but they're not.
Yeah, they're cruising like
They're literally acting like
they're going the speed limit.
Oh my gosh. Did they finally get over it?
No?
No. He's still in.
Like everyone's confused and scared to pass him like.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, so don't forget to subscribe. The sunsets in Hawaii are literally the most gorgeous sunsets I have ever experience. They are so beautiful. It was such a great day today with the family, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Woo! So we are playing Uno. The others are at the pool swimming. Playing Uno with this loser over here.
No. 2 win and 1 loss. So you're the loser.
I am the loser.
Don't
But he's cheating.
No.
Yes.
No. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. No. So look, guys, look. So
Skipped me twice.
So okay.
That was mine. He skipped me.
Sir,
And then he skipped me again. Then he did the back to him card. And then he...
Win.
I still have 4 cards left.
I'm so lucky, guys. No one can beat me. I'm a king.
You're the king
Yeah, I'm the king.
of little... of...
You know? How many cards do you have, Mom?
You're the
1, 2.
king's son, curly farts.
I'm a Mr. Awesome Man.
You're Mr. Awesome Man.
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay, so I, thank goodness, beat Corbin because look at his last 3 cards. Dude, pure luck. Whew, I'm so happy.
4.
What, bud?
44.
That is right. Mama won again. Woo-woo! Yeah, oh yeah, I know. Oh yeah.
You know?
Don't mess with the mama. Stay tuned for more aloha from the beautiful island of Kona, Hawaii.